Hey everybody, I'm back. Look what I did. Now I have two Rich Solar 200-watt panels on top of the old van. I had purchased a 600-watt kit for the new van, but because of the layout of the roof and where the rooftop unit sits, I'm only going to fit two up there anyway. This van already had one of their panels, so now I'm going to have two vans with 400-watt solar panel kits. Anyway, that's what I did. I got up there and put up another solar panel, and I took one of the lithium batteries. Since I had two, let me switch this around. I put one of them in here. Both vans have the 40 amp charge controller, so I'm gonna have two vans with matching 400-watt solar panel kits and batteries. Anyway, I'm not sure about selling this old van yet. I gotta go somewhere here in a couple of weeks for a month, and the other van isn't really ready. I still got to do some front end work to it. I drove it around for a weekend and found out it does need ball joints. So I'm going to go overboard and do control arms, ball joints, tie rod ends, brake pads, rotors, basically everything under the front of the van. Then I'll be more confident about taking it places. But this one I'm going to take out for a month. And I even put two lights back in it. The ones at the other end up front had broken and were missing. No, it was the ones back here. Anyway, two of them were broken. I bought another pack for the new van, and it came with 8. I don't need 8 of them lights in one van, so I put a couple of them in here. So now I have lights for both vans as well. Anyway, I'm still waiting on the bus bars to come in so I can connect my fuse panel and more things to the other van's battery. I didn't do that in here. I just put all those rings right into the bolt. I'm going to see how that does. I know everybody says, whoa, no, you got to have bus bars. You can't stack up these rings on here. But they're tight. They're secure. I think it's going to be all right. I might have to put a brace across here to keep that battery from sliding since it's a lot smaller than those 3. Oh, yeah. These are the batteries that were in this van. 3 Group 29 deep cycle batteries. One of these SOK batteries is going to outperform those 3. They're still good, by the way. Anybody need some good old deep cycle batteries? Make me an offer. I don't know. I'll find something to put them in out here. But yeah, I've just been tinkering around. Just as excited about fixing things in the old van as I am the new one. I don't know. Maybe that's normal, maybe it's not. I know I'm not. But anyway, I'm going to get all my tools straightened up and put where they go and all this, that, and the other. And probably make me some dinner. Figured I'd just make an update about it. Everybody have a wonderful day. And happy Mother's Day to all. Later.